Hello everyone, and welcome back. I have a rare night here. It's actually a Saturday night, and I'm home. I haven't been home on a weekend night. I can't even remember the last time. I had duck hunting, and then up to the new house, and back up to the new house. And I'm home today, and then I think the next 2 weekends I'm going to be up at the tent and over at the house. So anyway, I am going to cook something up on the barbecue, and I'm looking forward to it. Well, I've got some potatoes in there, some onions, some bacon, a little bit of seasoning salt, and some butter. Well, now that the potatoes are on, I'm going to do ribs, is the main thing. One of these here I'm just going to put seasoning salt on. And the other one, I'm going to put this Guns N' Roses stuff that I get down in Louisiana. It's got some heat, and when they use it at Ryan's Grocery, they put it on the chicken, and they do pork steaks like this, they put it on thick. And it is so good. Just like that. We'll grab these and go throw them out on the grill. I think for a vegetable, I'm going to have some of my home canned beets from 2015. Still smell fresh. I'm going to go drain these a little bit and we'll get them in the pan. Melissa can't stand beets, so it's best to eat them when she's not here. My dilapidated stove is getting worse and worse. I think just for fun, put a little dill weed in there. A little bit of Lowry's. A little bit of ground mustard. A little bit of sage, and some onion powder. I would have to say that these things are done. They look good. It's hot. Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. That's what's for dinner. I will see you guys on the next video.